Hello guys, this is Hard Reset and your IQIYI not working. Videos won't load or the app is freezing. Here's how to get back to watching your favorite shows. First of all, close and restart IQIYI. Consent, and let's do it like this. And here we go. But if it didn't help you, you might need to go to the permissions check, which are in the settings, apps. Let's go here, app permissions, and let's go notifications, and I think that's all. And if it didn't help you, you might need to go to uninstall and install the IQIYI again. Let's go. Okay. App search. Okay, let's go make this another way. Okay, uninstall and install it again. Okay, let's open it. Allow, consent, and even if this option didn't help you, we might need to go to check on the server. Let's go to the down detector and let's find IQIYI. Okay, so there is not such application as IQIYI because this is a new application, and also this is a Chinese application, so down detector hasn't added it yet. And if you need to fix it, you need to go to the last option, check on the Wi-Fi, and if it's good, just restart your phone and it will help you to solve your problem. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!